What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And in a long time, what I'm trying to say. It's been a while since I did something Yeezy. Ever since him and Adidas split, Yeezy said he ain't making them, so I ain't buying them. But a couple of weeks ago, maybe about 2 months ago, he did this thing. Yeah, it's the Super Bowl where everything was $20, and I said, I'm gonna get something, man. $20. So I went to go get the pods, the Yeezy pods, and it said 1, 2, 3. So I was thinking that they out of my size. They only got small sizes. A couple of days later, I said, let me double back. I look back at the Yeezy website and I see that 1, 2, 3 is the way his sizing go. 1 meaning like small, medium, 2 meaning medium, large, and then 3 meaning large, extra large, I'm guessing. So I went and picked up the hoodie. And it took a while, man. It took a while. But we already know Yeezy supply take a while from when Adidas and Yeezy first started. Because y'all know I've been rocking with Yeezy since. Yeah, man. At one point I had over 40 pairs of 350s, guys. I only kept Wave Runners, the original Pirates, and a couple more. But I know those two is ones that hold sentimental love in my heart, man. But yeah, man. Also, I love a Yeezy hoodie, man. I love a Yeezy hoodie. So I copped the Yeezy hoodie, man, and it took longer than Yeezy supply ever took. $20 price tag, so I wasn't really. Nah, I was waiting. And I was waiting. Even though I was giving y'all videos, I was waiting. Aww. But we here now. So let's unbox this Yeezy hoodie. It has something to do with dogs. I didn't even research it, but I know it was like some foreign language, I think, and it has something to do with dogs. So in a regular gray packaging, you just get a packaging slip. Yeezy Supply, Los Angeles, California. It say if you have placed an order for a Yeezy pod, please be advised that it will take between 4 to 8 weeks for your order to be fulfilled. I didn't get the Yeezy pods, but it still took almost 4 to 8 weeks. This here is the Gosha hoodie or Gosha hoodie. The item number is YZY2F09_Ash_1. So let's check it out, man. The Yeezy Gosh hoodie. Now, off first glance, man, I'm going to tell you right now, this ain't a Yeezy Gap Perfect hoodie. The material's nowhere near there. But again, $20, I ain't mad, man. To me, it feels like a regular Gildan hoodie, in my opinion. No tag on the inside at all. But it does to me feel like a Gildan hoodie, man. Here's the graphic on the front. So the phrase is in Gosha. It's a collab with somebody named Gosha. It looks kind of like Russian writing. I'm not too sure. Something Greek. But it means black dogs. Kanye's mine. I don't know, man. But I like to support that guy when I can. Even though he says some egregious things at times, but sometimes he be right. So this is the hoodie, guys. Material not the best, but not bad neither. It is better than a Gildan hoodie, but it's lesser than a Champion material hoodie. I wish I had time to go look in my closet and find the Ye Must Be Born Again hoodie to show you what quality looks like. But this is the hoodie, guys. The letters do not pop up or nothing. It is inked in. Hoodie's here. They go to bottom. You know what? Let's try it on. Right, let's get this thing on, man. I brought a size 2, guys. As I told y'all, the tag is not on the hoodie. But I brought a size 2 because that meant medium. And everything I wear as far as the top is medium. And I like it. I like the fit. Good fit, man. Fits to you, not like a cinch shoes with the droop look. It definitely fits to you. But no laces here to tighten the hood part. And no quarterback pocket. That's something I really, really love in a hoodie is a quarterback pocket. Put your keys there, your car key, your phone. But you don't get that. But the material's good, man. As you can see, it fits perfect. Still got some room. So I like it, man. Let me know in the comment section below, what did y'all get from the website for $20? New stuff keep going up. They even got this hoodie in black. But I like it, man. It feels good. The material does feel good, but it's not the Yeezy Gap hoodie, man. Let me know how y'all feel about this. Let me know what y'all cop. Just a quick review on the Yeezy Supply Black Dogs Gosha hoodie. I like this, man. I might just rock it out today. I'm your boy Sneaker Nose. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich. Nah, this is the second time. I know I'm wearing it right this time.